Hi, welcome back to Naples Motorsports. We are now officially Lotus of Naples. Here we have a 2018 Lotus Evora 400. One of the things I love about this particular car is it's a 6-speed manual. The Lotus has finally got enough horsepower to really impress just about anybody in the car world. With the Evora 400, they've completely changed the front fascia from the previous Evora. Much more aggressive, much more modern. I really like what they've done here. This particular car does have some carbon fiber accents on the outside. So here in the middle of the hood, we do have this front piece that was an option on this particular car. Bi-xenon headlights up here in the front. When we come around to the side, we've got 19-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels. You can see we've got cross-drilled brake rotors as well as red brake calipers right behind the black wheels there. When you look all over this car, one of the things that I was really impressed with when the new Lotus came out was the fit and finish of pretty much everything. So even looking at the outside of the car, the gaps in between the doors, even the way that, little things like your fuel door fits, the way that the mirrors fold in when you lock the car, they've really taken the Lotus brand to a whole new level. This particular car is a black package car, so it does have the black roof panel. Back here in the back, to continue that black roof panel, it does have the hatch completely in carbon fiber. Now I want you to get close and I want you to see the attention to detail. This is a spectacular piece of carbon fiber. Right down the middle you can see they've split, so you've got that nice triangle pattern all the way down the middle that does continue to the piece in the front of the car. There's some louvers back here. They do allow you to see out of the back of the car better than nothing. When we open up the rear hatch here, you can see all of the exposed carbon. This is a true carbon fiber piece that does reduce all of the weight in the back end of the car here. You can see the dry carbon with the bigger weave for strength. And then when we move to the outside, you can see it's all wet carbon with the smaller weave for the better look. This is a 400 horsepower V6 that's supercharged in this particular car. Back here in the back, very easy access to your battery. We do have the factory Lotus battery charger that comes with the car, as well as a front license plate bracket if you require that in your state. So after we close the trunk down, you can see this carbon fiber piece is a really good look on the back of the car. All of your emblems on the back are all in black, so it matches very well. Down at the bottom, we have a dual mode exhaust. I'll start that up for you so you can hear the differences in the different modes here in just a minute. Park distance control all the way across the back, so when you're backing into your garage or into a parking spot, it'll beep at you, it'll tell you exactly how close you are. And we also do have rear backup camera in the back of this car. Again, coming around to the driver's side, part of that black pack that I had mentioned before is this black rocker panel, as well as the black mirrors. So when I get in the inside, everything's right at my fingertips in this particular car. The stereo is very easy to use. It's all touchscreen. Inside this stereo, we do have your backup camera. Very clear, comes up right away. Heated seats on both front seats. The exhaust is a dual mode exhaust, so I can change the exhaust sound just by the push of a button, as well as I've got a sport mode and a race mode that'll both change the dynamics of the driving in the car. You can see this car does still have even the plastic on the steering wheel and the airbag warning. This is a brand new car. It's got 1 mile on it. When I start it up, you can see it gets very tame, but if I want a little bit more noise, I just press that button right there and it gives you all the sound. I'd love to discuss this car with you as well as any of our other inventory, maybe even possibly ordering you a Lotus. I will always have Lotuses in stock now. It's something where if you haven't been on my website to see all 60 photos and all of the cars we have in inventory, I definitely recommend you to do so. That's naplesmotorsports.com or lotusofnaples.com. Again, I'm Chris Pruitt. You can reach me directly at 239-216-3830, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.